Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do another quick video. This is day 2. Well, it hasn't even been a full day since I've owned this car, but it's really cold outside in Las Vegas, and I figured I'd do a quick video of a cold start on the 2016 Scat Pack SRT Challenger. So here we are. We're gonna go ahead and turn the camera down. Here we go. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. First start of the day. Alright, here we go. I really like the seats, the suede seats with the RT logos on them. It's pretty cool. All right, just wanted to give you guys a quick video. Like I said, once I get Ruby here all nice and cleaned up on a better day here, I'm gonna do a very in-depth tour of the car. So stay tuned, and it should hopefully tomorrow, well, next week, I should be able to have that video of it all nice and shiny. It's supposed to rain here in Las Vegas in the next couple days, which is very unusual, but it's raining a lot now. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys.